Hi friends, Dr. Usha Ram with you again with a very short video which will relate to today's present current teacher educators initiatives. Educators, teachers, they have to create unique initiatives to promote sustainable learning developments, emotional, social, so many areas that they have to look into. Once the lockdown is over, permissions are given to us to start the school. Now, for educators, for teachers, a very important role starts. How to, because there has to be social distancing. We cannot bring all of them together. For that, we have to change the classrooms arrangements, the seating arrangements, to call junior separately, senior separately, pre-primary has to be called, and then the break time, the recess time, and how to keep the distance, how to keep that social distance that we have been talking about. So that is, for that, the timetable has to be made in such a manner that the children are occupied, even those who are at home. There has to be some kind of assignments given to them. You cannot tell that this class is coming, the other class is going to sit at home, and for that we have to give them something. Planning has to be done. So it's very important, friends, that this is going to be very important role for the educators. Coming to the methodology, because the paradigm shift that we are talking about, in that technology, yes, plays a very important role, but then we have to change our method of teaching, learning, because learning has to take place. For that, project work, for example, we already have Atal Labs. In that, children are asked to do small scientific projects. They are given some topics and they have to work on that. Now the children, when they are sitting at home, they can be asked to collect small items which are not of use. So this comes to our learning process, which has to change. Another very important point is that we cannot miss out our economically weaker section children, who in any case would not have got the opportunity to attend the classes regularly, because if there is one cell phone, there are 3-4 brothers, sisters. How is it possible? They won't have. So how to take care of them? And the moment children come to school, whether EWS or otherwise, we cannot start with examination. We cannot say, oh, we have already covered up 2 months course with you at home, now we are going to test you. There's no question of examination. It's important that we bring that emotional and social connectivity. The children have to have probably even counselors. The seniors will become counselors for juniors, and then teachers, all teachers have to become counselors to make children feel comfortable. Learning can take place only if there's a conducive environment, friends. And that is possible if we all work together towards that side. Now coming to another point which I had in mind was that, we can have goals. We can decide this is what we need to do with children. But the teachers' planning, their working is really going to take a lot of time. It's not going to be that easy. We have to have patience, we have to have resilience, we have to have hope, because if we do not have that faith and hope, what will we pass on to our children or to parents or to say anybody in the school? So it's very important as principals, as educators, as teachers, we have to have that positive attitude. Though within our own heart, we know it's not that easy. But within the school, they have to work out certain programs in which the children start feeling comfortable. So it cannot be just rote learning, just from the books. It has to be taken very gradually, slowly, and ultimately, what is the main goal? Learning should take place. Minimum level of learning for all. That is possible with any kind of teaching that we do. Keeping all that in mind, friends, we have to be very positive, because this is a time, a phase which will pass. We have to see to it, we have to have resilience that this phase which is there will pass, for which we should prepare our children, our teachers, our management, everybody. So the educators have a very important role to play, and they have to be positive throughout, because future has to be bright, and it will be bright. It's how we look at it. Thank you so much. See you again.